We are here for the group discussion, so let's start the session. Friends, as far as I'm concerned, in India, the reservation is based on caste, and in my personal opinion view, the reservation should be based on income. For example, a deserving candidate who is good for government examination and he is still not get into the government examination, and on the other side, deserving candidate who has maximum marks and on the other side, this is happening just because of reservation. So it is my personal opinion view that the reservation should be based on income, not based on caste. So friends, would you like to say
Yes,
something?
I would like to say something here.
Let me say my thought, then you carry on. So I was saying that reservation, income-based reservation help the people who really need and income, and the caste-based reservation don't help people who don't, which is not fair. So income-based reservation should be there in place of caste-based reservation. So would you like to say something?
Yes, I would like to say something here, my friends. As we all know that reservation play a very important role in our society because they provide a facility, extra facility to the backward class of our society, and they will also provide them job as they are not so educated and not so talented. That's why they will get reservation. But I think it should not be happen because many of higher class are not getting jobs and because of reservation. That's why it should be based on income, not on caste system, because it also create caste in our society. So that's why it should also be based on income, not on caste system. So would you like to say something?
Yes, I would like to say something. Next point, then you carry on. So I was saying that a deserving candidate cannot selected due to reservation because they are come from unreserved category, and other sides candidate is selected because they are come from reserved category. So I think it is not good. Reservation should be there income based, and they help poor people a lot, and reduce the casteism also. So I think the reservation should be there in our nation, income based. Would you like to say?
Yes,
I would like to say something about the topic that the reservation is good for the society and the deprived sections, and that the Bhimrao Ambedkar, who is the father of the constitution, also initiate of the reservation in India. But our constitution also provides this reservation system that most of the articles, such that Article 15 and Article 16, also initiate this system. But most of the political parties are use the reservation system for their personal interest. So the most of the campaign are started in the most of the examinations. Such the recent example, the BPSC held against the BPSC. Campaign held by the council, and most of the reservation there's a crucial role to promote the corruption in the examinations. So would you like to
Yes,
say
sir, I would
something?
like to say something else. Let me say something. Then you carry on. Please carry on.
So I was saying that reservation is a kind of subsidy. It should be income based, not caste based. It for those who not economically sound, and many students have many students. Would you like to say something?
Yes, I would like to say
So I was saying that reservation is a policy that provides benefits to historically backward groups in employment and education sector and policy, and it provides a better opportunity to grow up in their career, so that it reduces the barrier gap between rich and poor people. So would you like to
Yes,
So I think that everyone seeing that as equal as two sides, as we also hence reservation as merits and demerits. First of all, we are discussing the merits. As we can see, reservation uplifts the backward classes to give the promote the job opportunities, and also we seeing the women can handicap the job and they stable our homes. Would you like to say?
So I was saying.
So I was saying that Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar worked for reservation, and he wanted to that reservation and for all citizens and for equality, and but later than it gives for religion and caste. So would you like to
Yes,
say?
I would like to say something else.
Then you carry on. So I was saying that, friends, as we know that candidate who has good marks but still he was not selected, and the other hand, a candidate who belonged to reserved category, he was selected, but still he has not good marks compared than unreserved category candidate. So I think that reservation better than caste based reservation is income based reservation is better than caste based reservation. Would you like to-
Yes, madam. I would like to say something. This is my point, then you will carry on. So I will say that brain drain is also happen because of reservation. Because friends, as we know that because of reservation, deserving candidates unable to get jobs, and when they do not get jobs, and then they decide to go abroad, which is not good thing, because it is a big loss of our society. So would you like to?
Yes, I was saying that what happened, a candidate is very deserving but he is not selected in spite of having good marks because he is from of unreserved category. On the other hand, a candidate is selected because in spite of having low marks because he is from of reserved category. So this is not fair. Would you like to?
Yes, I would like to add my point. So I was saying that some hard working student is without few numbers and it in job upon government jobs, and it is caste reservation is caste certificate, and reservation reduce gap between rich and people. Would you like to say?
Yes,
I would like to say something
Let
here.
me-
Please carry on.
As we know that everyone has decided, so both the types of reservations have merits and demerits. If I talk positively, then reservation reduce casteism and untouchability. It creates equality, different types of caste and religion in our society. Would you like to?
Yes,
Yes,
I would like
to say something here. Dear friend, please let me complete my point. Then you can carry on. Dear friend, please let me complete my point. Then you can carry on. So I was saying we cannot deny with this thing that the poor guy are there in all.